Today we combine the flavors of chilies, coconut milk, and mangoes to this tasty Thai mango curry with shrimp. Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make Thai mango curry with shrimp. It's going to be fantastic. We've got about a cup of onions. We have about a half of a red bell pepper. We have 1 carrot stick and then 1 mango, nice and chopped. We've got some ginger, about 1.5 tablespoons. We've got 2 garlic cloves minced. We have some Thai red chili paste. It's Thai red chili curry paste, and that's about 1.5 tablespoons. And then we have some red chili with garlic, about 1 tablespoon, a full can of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of low sodium chicken broth. This is 1 tablespoon of very fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1.5 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1 pound of shrimp. That's it. Easy to make and fast and delicious. All right, so we're gonna fry the vegetables for about 5 minutes. And we can start with a cold pan. We don't need to sear these. We're not trying to do that. 1 onion, essentially. About a half a red bell pepper. 1 carrot sliced on the bias, diagonally, however you want to talk about that. And I am going to put just a little bit of salt in here on this. Not much. About 1/4 teaspoon. And we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes and get them softened. Just a little bit of pepper. All right, it's going to go fast now. We're putting in the ginger, the garlic, Thai red chili paste, curry paste, and the garlic and chili paste as well. Smells fantastic. Doesn't that smell good? 30 to 60 seconds. We don't want to cook this long. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put in the chicken broth. Just a 1/4 of a cup. The soy sauce, the honey, and now the coconut milk. We're going to cover this and cook this for about 5 minutes. And the color is just about coming up perfect. It's almost a pink peach color. Many say that mango with curry is a recent combination likely created in Thailand from the popularity of mango sticky rice, which dates back to the 1300s. Mangoes have long been cultivated and eaten in Thailand for both sweet and savory dishes. Many Thai curries have Indian influence, and likely the recipes and ingredients arrived through the trade routes. By the 1500s, Portuguese merchants brought chilies to Thailand, where they were soon incorporated into the curries. Some believe that the word curry derives from the word kari, which means sauce for rice. Today, we're adding shrimp to this delicious dish for your enjoyment. All right, so we've covered this. Oh, this is looking great. I'm gonna add the lemon, which is a tablespoon, essentially about a half a lemon. Oh, this smells fantastic. I'm gonna go ahead and put this lemon in here. I'm looking for a tablespoon. I think that's gonna be at least a tablespoon. Normally you don't put the papaya. You don't put the papaya in this at all. The mango in because it's usually a little more delicate. This is not as ripe as I would like it to have been. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook it a little bit longer than we would. I'm gonna include it in that 5 minutes now so it tenderizes up a little bit. And we're gonna cover this for another 2-3 minutes. And then the shrimp are gonna go in, that's the last thing. The shrimp are gonna go in for like 60 to 90 seconds. That's it, they'll be plenty done. So this is all cooked for 5 minutes. The only thing we're waiting on is the shrimp. I wanna check for the amount of heat. So I'm just gonna get a little spoon here. If we want it hotter, then we can add. If you want less heat, tough. Oh, this is one of those that comes back. I don't want to put any more in it, but it's got some heat. It's got, it's an after finish kind of thing. I can't wait for you to try this. I'm telling you, it's gonna be good. We're about ready to put the shrimp. Let's do it. Let's stop talking about it. Let's do it. God, this is a fantastic dish. All right, so we're looking at 60 seconds, 90 seconds, certainly not more than 2 minutes. And I say not covered any longer. It's covered enough. Okay, so this has been a good 90 seconds, almost 2 minutes. I had to turn my flame up because this wasn't really hot. This is it. I'm turning it off because this is plenty. There's some carryover heat clearly from this, but this is done. They're nice and curly, they're not overcooked, and we're ready to plate. So I got a nice little bowl of rice, and I'm ready to add along the sides the mango curry with shrimp. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of the juice right across there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of cilantro on this. And I think that's it. All right, we're ready to taste. All right, we're ready to taste this. I'm going to have a shrimp with a little bit of rice. You got to make this. This is easy to make. It's so tasty. You ready, Mrs. Brooks? That looks good. That tastes good. Is that, I'm not wrong. That tastes fantastic. This is a great dish. You got to try this. Hey, if you like this video, I would appreciate it if you like and if you subscribe. Send me a comment. Tell me where you're from. If you got something you've made of mine and you send me a picture, I most likely will put it on one of my videos and give you credit for it. And I'll see you next time on
While You're in the Kitchen.